So happy guys, morning. So sweating all day. Our trust doesn't get picked up. It's okay. I have my plant, my rubber plants. So I just plant. I bought this Valencia yesterday, and then I planted. So we're planning to have a garden at the back. That's why I clean it, everything, because but our garden box that I order, my Walter's order is not good, so I need to return it back. Yes guys, have a wonderful to show you my lady housemaid cleaning up. I enjoyed this guys when I was in America. That's what I'm doing, cleaning pressure washer in the house, the whole house, because we need it mostly in our deck. We need to clean and seal it again for protections that doesn't damage your floor, the wood. Yeah, we seal it. Yes, guys. Hi guys, good morning. I just show you this here. I'm already planting my potatoes and lettuce and tomatoes. So potatoes, and I have, so because this area is already very clean already after pressure wash, so now it's pressure wash here the area, so I can plant already. So I'm started it here. Oh my gosh, it's so messy there here because it's yesterday we don't have electric power. So yeah, it's here's my Walter's. He bought Lazada. It's broken, but I still doing it a remedy for this. So yeah, okay, I just take it out for this for a while. I make a solar charging it for. So here you go. This is my remedy that I fix the garden box. Or Walter's ordered this. It's broken, but I did not return it. It's take longer. A lot of trouble I did when I asked them how to return it. So yeah, it's okay now, but still have a problem, but it's okay. I get a remedy for this, so I can start it planting for this vegetable. This will be my area to make a garden, the back of our yard. So I'm planning for putting hang here. So now it's clean already. So my housemaid is already pressure washed this. We bought a pressure washer previously. Walter is the one who ordered in Lazada also. Yep, it's already. So I get also starting here. You know, this is my potato, and just to grown up here. Just made it to grown up. So I have there. So I like that to be just to make the roots, have a roots before I put in the soil. So yeah, it's just only having roots. And this one is also my lettuce and I just did. So this is what started it. I'm not yet. I'm just ordering my seeds and online, but I try, guys. What is that's gonna be if I can do it, but I need to planning for more for this box, garden box. So, and I think it's a Vivo Home, so I'm gonna try to order again a little bit more. So, and also I'm planning hanging here, just simple, guys, to hang this like this. I make a Coca bottle there. I will planning to buy bottles, more bottles. I plan to my seeds to grown up, to hang some of them. Okay. It's also Angie. Ano man yung kuha, wala na sirado. So yeah, this is what already my plants already is already inside my house. So the new that I bought in the Valencias for my plant interior inside the house. So it's a little messy here. We just fixed this lately, but okay, yeah. I put also I hook up also this, our mosquito insectiller, so that will be, if we want to, I want planning to be fix here sitting place, and then yeah, I put a sitting place. We can relax here and sitting, because we cannot put in the carport because it's a small space. We cannot put a table and chair there. You can, but you need to always remove and remove when you pull out the car to the gate. So it's hard. Yeah, it's hard. So it's very small space here in our carport, but we cannot do it. So I'm supposed to be, it's nice to be here, putting a sitting table and chair so we can sit, but I rather prepare in the back because it doesn't bother it every time we pull out our car. So we need to move also your chair, your table like this. So no good. Yes, guys, I'm here in my carport and said yes, thank you for viewing my YouTube channel. Now what's your spot? So I'm so sorry I'm not always be doing it. I'm lazy for myself doing it because this is only for fun. I'm not earning this, so this is only for fun for me. So I love to do it. So yeah, because I'm not more subscribers, so I need a lot of subscribers. But if you like it, subscribe me so I could earn it. So I love to having earning, but you cannot force people to subscribe you. So yes, thank you for viewing. Hello guys, I'm starting plant ako dito. Yan, restart na ako. Merong garden box water in order. So na-fix ko na ito. So ayan, na-install ko na. Tapos gagawa ako ng garden here, this area sa back namin. Ayan, may soil na ako in order, binili. So And then I'm starting already. I'm waiting sa ano ko, seeds na mga seeds na order ko sa Shopee. So yeah, I'm started ito po, nag-start na po ako ng potato. I'm trying this to magkaroon ng roots. Saka i-transfer ko sa soil ng yung box doon, yung garden box ko. So ito, nag-start na po ako sa ano, potatoes and lettuce. So yeah, yan. So kung mag-grow sa ko yan, dito transfer dito sa box. Pero maliit lang to, so kailangan ko naggawa ng mga ano, yung bottle ihahang ko dito sa wall. Yeah. Yan. So dahil dito malinis na, nag-pressure wash na kami dito. So kailangan ko na lang dito gawa ng tanim dito, garden ko. So at least meron kaming ano na nalinis, mga panglinis ng yung pressure washer. So looks good na po. Ayan, sa back lang ito. So kailangan ko lang dito ilagay kasi hindi maka-bothered ng ano namin sasakyan doon sa kabila, sa front, sa carport namin. Ayan. So hindi na ako mag-worry. So ito ang sa back namin, sa side back namin. So yun ang mga namin, vacant dito, walang bahay, at saka front walang bahay. Kabila, dito lang sa kabila meron ng mga bahay dyan. Kami lang dito maraming bakante, vacant space, pero may owner na yan dyan. Hindi pa lang inano kasi nasa abroad. Ayan. Ano, meron na kaming ano, electric ano dito, connector. So maka-plug na kami sa ano, plug sa maka-connect na kami ng mga anong gusto namin. Sakali mag-Christmas, pwede na akong makapag-ano diyan. Ayan. Yan, may CCTV kami dyan. Meron kaming surveillance dito. CCTV. Ayan. Ito ang ano namin. Ito. So, ayan. Ayan. Yan, walang bahay. Wala kaming neighbor dyan. May-ari dyan, wala dito. Nasa front. So, kami lang dito. So, yan. A lot of junk, guys. So, we need keeping my housemaid for selling. Yes, a lot. That's okay. That's a money. That's gone for Walters. So, ano yan ni Walter? Mga drinks. Beer. So, pera kasi yan eh. So, kinikip ng ano, para maibenta niya. So, keep more for that.